Hi, my name's Andy from Cobra Garden Machinery, and today I'd like to talk about our multi-tool system. First of all, we have the power unit, which is powered by a 27cc Kawasaki 2-stroke engine. I'd now like to talk about the attachments. The first attachment I'm going to talk about is the Hedge Cutter attachment. It's a fully articulating Hedge Cutter unit. It's 620mm in length, and the tooth spacing is 30mm, and each blade segment is diamond cut. We've also got the Prune attachment, which is supplied with Oregon chain, and obviously the main purpose of this attachment is going higher to take branches and limbs off trees in the garden. We also have the Stimmer attachment, where at the moment it's fitted with a nylon head, which has got a 2-line feed. If you require something a lot more penetrating and you've got more dense areas to cut, we also can take the nylon head off and use a 3-toothed brush blade. The final attachment is the 700mm extension shaft. It's a great feature to have within any multi-tool system. It's strongly advised that this attachment is only usually designed for when you are using the pruner. I'd now like to just summarise what we've been talking about today. We have the 27cc power unit, which is powered by Kawasaki, which is a 50-to-1 petrol oil mix. We have the fully articulating Hedge Cutter attachment, 620mm in length, 30mm tooth spacing, and articulating from 0 to 140. We also have the pruner, which is supplied with Oregon chain. We have the Stimmer attachment, which again is supplied with a dual feed nylon line head, also supplied with a 3-bladed brush knife. We have the 700mm extension shaft, which is to be used with the pruner only. The machine comes with a harness and a fuel mixing bottle.